Today I'm doing a makeup look with a color pop palette. I asked on Twitter what color I should do, and I was told to do gold, so that's what we're doing today. You're gonna want to start with applying a light brown at the base and adding a darker brown around the edges and the top of your lid to create some depth. And then you're gonna want to cut the crease. This is not really mandatory, but it does help your shadow pop a lot more. So see, I'm going in with that gold yellow shimmer. And cutting the crease just creates a nice crisp line. And then I'm taking a darker brown and I'm attempting to blend that in. I'm adding some more glitter to the front inner corners. Now I'm applying some primer. This was the Makeup Revolution primer. That's the dupe for the Tatcha Silk Skin primer. So I'm gonna let that dry, so now I'm gonna apply mascara. And my eye kept watering, so this sucked. Now I'm gonna apply some foundation. I'm using two different foundations here. I was using one by Makeup Revolution and one by L'Oreal. Now I'm just gonna set that with the Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm gonna attempt to contour. No, it's not really the right way, but you know what? It works for me. So that just be how I do it. Here I'm adding some blush, and then I'm gonna go in with more blush after, because I was going for a very blushy look with like a rosy nose type thing. So you can see I'm trying to get my nose pink. It did end up looking really cute, so. I think it looks really cute with that highlighter on. Now I'm just gonna apply some highlighter to the cheekbones, a little bit more to the nose, a little bit on the cupid's bow, you know, over here and there. I'm gonna use this overglaze stone to put in the very inner corners just to brighten them a tad. Then I'm using ColourPop's lip liner to line my lips, and then I'm simply gonna add some clear lip gloss on top of that. And that is the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, make sure you get yourself some water. Have yourselves a senior. I love you guys.